In front of me is UMIDIGI F2, and let me show you how to change voicemail sound on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select settings. And here you will notice voicemail, so smoothly selected. Go to the notifications and go to the advanced options right here. Now you will notice sound, so smoothly click on it, and let me show you all of the options that you can apply. And then just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and it has been changed. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.